Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Preview Pane not working for PDF files here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to open our file explorer and try to rename the PDF file that you are facing an error with. Okay, just have to do a right click and click this rename icon and just have to delete some of this name. Okay, just have to leave this first and then click on enter. The moment you the click on enter, just have to check if the preview pane is not working. But if it doesn't, then let's move on to our second step, which is we need to open our Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so just have to open your Adobe Acrobat Reader. Okay, and here at the Adobe Acrobat Reader itself, you need to proceed on this three lines. Okay, click on it, scroll down, and look for preferences. I can see it here. Okay, so just yes first. Okay, let's just wait until the Adobe Acrobat is ready for us. Okay, so let's just go with set default first. Okay, so sorry for the interruption. Just have to wait until we are being redirected again to this. Okay, so once everything is ready, sorry, just have to click these three lines once again and then go with preferences. Click on it. And the moment you click on it, just have to wait until a new window will appear, which is this. Okay. Here you need to proceed on general. Okay. And look for this enable PDF thumbnail previews in Windows Explorer. Click this box to check. Okay. And then you need to scroll down. Okay. And then click on OK. Okay. And then click on yes to confirm. Okay. So we just have to wait until this will be done. Okay. Let me just cancel this. Okay. And once it is being done, we need to proceed to our next step. Okay. So our next step would be, let me just close this. Our next step would be we need to click the three dots again. And this time we need to go with help. And this time you need to go with check for updates. Okay, here you need to check for the latest updates for Acrobat. Okay, in my case, I have no latest updates available since I have installed the latest version of this Adobe Acrobat Reader. But in your case, if your application is outdated, just have to go with the latest update and then update it in your computer, and there you have that. Okay, just have to check if your preview pane is now working for your PDF files. Okay, so close this window and then there you have that. Okay, so those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.